So I have this scarf. It's like super big. This is like my multi-purpose scarf. I wear it as a dress, as a skirt, as a top. But I just use my knee and I fold it in half. And because it's pretty long, I'm gonna fold it again. And then I'm going to put it at the base of my head. And just kind of make sure that it is aligned together. Then I'm going to grab one side and I'm going to wrap it around and kind of let it hang out in the back. Then I'm going to grab the other side, and you want to kind of make sure you're grabbing close to your head. You don't want to grab too far away. It'll make it very loose. You want to grab it close, the piece that's closer to your head, and wrap it. This will make sure that it is secure. And then once I do that, I will get the other end. Now I have two, and I'm going to tie it, making one knot. And I'm gonna pull. So now I have one knot, and then I'm just going to bring it around and tuck. Get the other one, bring around and tuck it. Okay. So I like mine to have a little more volume, but normally this will be the finishing product. But because I'm just feeling it today, I'm going to use my second scarf. I got this scarf from Southern Belle Curly Tail's website. You can find it in the description bar. But I grabbed the piece again and I folded it. Now I'm going to take it and wrap it around. Okay. Same step, make sure that they're both even. Grab one side at a time, closest to the head. Wrap and bring up. And then get the other one. Wrap it and bring it up. Just like this. Then I do the same thing. I tie them. And then I tuck at the top. Just like that. And that is how I do my hat wraps. Thanks for wrapping up with me.